In this video, I'll show you how to fold a simple boat. For this, you'll need a rectangular piece of paper. Place the paper in portrait orientation in front of you. Now fold the bottom edge up to the top edge and fold the sheet in half. Make sure to fold as precisely as possible. To make clean folds, align the edges and corners as accurately as you can. Hold the paper with one hand and use the other hand to crease from the center downwards, folding to the right and left. Next, place the folded edge on top. Fold the right side over the left side and fold the sheet in half again. Open this fold back up. Now fold the top right corner precisely to the center line. Ensure the tip is sharp and you meet the center line exactly. Do the same with the top left corner. Fold the bottom flap up over the triangle. Turn your work over. Fold the small triangles on the right and left sides over the edge of the tip. Now fold the bottom right corner up to the other small triangle. Do the same with the bottom left corner. Then fold the bottom flap up over the triangle. Take the triangle in your hand and open it from the bottom. Fold the triangle so that it becomes a square. Fold the bottom tip up to the top tip. Turn your work over and do the same on the other side. You now have a triangle in front of you again. Take the triangle in your hand, open it up from the bottom and fold it back into a square. Now take the square in your hand and pull it apart from the right and left sides. Open the slit at the bottom a little and shape the boat a bit. Your boat is ready.